Today we celebrate the feast of St. Thomas the Apostle. We're familiar with the story of Thomas, how Jesus first appeared to the apostles when Thomas wasn't there. And then when the apostles told Thomas about the appearance of Jesus, he didn't believe them. And he said, unless I touch the wound in his side and his hands, I won't believe. So then the following week, Jesus appears to them again. This time, Thomas is there, and Jesus invites Thomas to come and to touch the wounds so that he can believe. And Thomas makes the great affirmation of faith, my Lord and my God. So we know that Thomas is a mentor for us. We know that we are often like Thomas. We have doubts. We struggle with our faith. Sadness comes into our lives. Hardships come into our lives, things that we don't expect. And these challenge our faith. We have doubts of our own. First, those doubts are perfectly normal. There's something to be expected. Second, doubts are not a sign of lack of faith. In fact, doubt is a sign of a healthy faith. Doubt is a sign of a faith that is willing to change, to evolve, and to grow. But let's hope that we can be like Thomas, that through our moments of sadness and hardship and challenges, that we will continue to affirm, as Thomas did, my Lord and my God.